If you do a lot of presentations or you need to move a monitor from room to room, like if you're a teacher or in an office or even in a home like you see here, this little rolling TV stand could really be helpful for you. So this one right here is on wheels and it's lovely because you don't have to like drag it or pull it around on your floor. It can just roll to wherever you need it to. But then it's got the large bracket at the top, and then you just put on those little holders or clips. I'm not sure what they're called, but you just slide them on to the top holder, and you can secure your TV to that. It's really nice on space saving. So if you're, have kids over or you want to roll the TV out to the den or somewhere, if they have sleepovers, you could do that. And it's not so large that it can fit right into a closet as well. It's also got the bottom part to it. So if you're in an office and you need to take your laptop with a large monitor, you can set the laptop right on that. The wheels glide very smooth. They do have brakes on them, so you don't have to worry about anybody knocking into it and moving the cart while it has, say, your laptop or the monitor on it as well. And like I said, it's very great for space saving because you can literally put it right back in a closet like you see right here, and it fits very nicely. So definitely a lifesaver if you're having to move from room to room or in an office building and you need to roll it around. Would definitely recommend this one right here.